Good morning, class. Good morning once again. As you can remember, last time, class 5, we learned a lot. But today we are going to continue with our revision. That is number 40. That is where we are going to start. And we have always been mentioning our formula. Who can remind us our formula? Yes, very good. That is ruta. R-U-T-A. What was R standing for? That was reading. Very good. U was standing for understanding. Very good. To understand. What about T? T was standing for? Yes, very good. That was thinking. To think. And what about our last letter there? Yes, very good. That was for answering. Yes, class 5, that is so good. We go to question number 40. Question number 40, that is class 5. We are told that Anne was sent to the shop. Anne was sent to the shop and bought the following. The first item that Anne bought was 2 kilograms of flour. That was 4 shillings 120 each. Another item that this person bought that was 1 kg sugar. Each was costing shillings 100. The other item that this person bought was 3 kg of tea leaves. 4 shillings 180. You are told how much money did she pay? Now, class 5. Before we continue, remember you have to arrange everything and multiply where necessary. If you see each, what are you supposed to do? If you see each has another sign that looks like that, what do you do? Yes, very good. You multiply the items by the money. What about 4? What did you do if you have 4? You don't multiply. Very good. Do not multiply. Okay, class 5, mathematicians, class 5. The first item was 2 kg of flour, 4 shillings 120 each. So what are you supposed to do to each? You multiply 2 times what? 100 what? And 20. What is 120 times 2? 120 times 2, 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So that is shillings 240. 1 kg of sugar, each shillings 100. So 1 kg of sugar each. That is times what? 100. So what is 1 times 100? Very good. That is shillings 100. We go to the other part. 3 kg of tea leaves, 4 shillings 180. Do we need to multiply? We don't have each. Now, so we do not what? Multiply. In this, we cannot multiply because we don't have each. So we just write 3 kg, that is direct say shillings 180. What do you do after that? You are told how much money did she pay? Class 5, what are you supposed to do? Using our formula, that is ruta. We have already read, understood, Now we are solving. That is thinking and solving. So what are you supposed to do? Yes, do we multiply here? Do we subtract? Very good. That is, we add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is what? What is 0 plus 0 plus 0? Yes, that is 0. So, you write your 0 below. What is 4 plus 0? Very good. That is 4. 4 plus 8. That is 12. We write 12 here, class 5s? No. We write 2, we carry 1 and circle it there on top. 2 plus 1, 3. Very good. Plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. So, this person paid shillings 520. That is clap for hand. We move to question number 41. Question number 41, that is where we are. Question number 41. Remember, we are approaching the end of this paper. Revision for mathematics class 5. Remember, we have more revisions. We have more revisions later. 41. Question number 41. You are told 9 weeks equals dash days. 9 weeks have how many days? Class 5. Using our formula, that is router. R for reading. Let's read. 9 weeks equals dash days. U for understanding. Somebody to tell me. 1 week has how many days? 1 week has how many days? 1 week has how many days? Class 3, class 2, class 1 work. Let somebody tell us. Very good. There are 7 days. 1 week has 7 days. Now, what are we going to do? Because we are now having 9 weeks. Thinking. T for thinking. T for thinking. You are not told of 1 week. You have several weeks. What do? You say 1 week has 7 days. What about 9 weeks? What about what? 9 weeks. So, you can use this method by writing how many sevens. How many sevens? There are 7 nines. The first week, this is 1. We go to another 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 7, 9. Now, those are 9 weeks. Having 7 days. So what do you do? What do you do to our thinking? What do you do to our thinking, class 5? Class 5s. What do you do to our thinking? T for thinking. Using our formula router. Now, that is going to be, you add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You add how many sevens? 7 nines. Now, that is 9 weeks. That is 7 when they are 9. Now, what is 7 plus 7? Yes, very good. That is 14. What about plus the 7? After adding, you just put a right there. That is plus 7. 7 plus 4 is what? 21. That is 7 plus 4 is 11. Very good. Another person has just given us an answer. 7 plus 4 is 11. We carry 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Plus. We go to the fourth one. Plus 7. That is 28. Plus another 7. That is 8 plus 7. 15. Carry 1. That is 35. 5, 35, plus 7, that is the 67, that is 42, plus another 7, this is 49, plus another 7, that is 9 plus 7, 16, very good, 6, carry 1, 56, plus another 7, that is the last one, 13, carry 1, 6. So we have how many days? 63 days. 63 days. Now, we go to the question number 42. Question number 42, class 5s. Question number 42, that is where we are. Question number 42. We are told that a boy slept at 9:45 p.m. and woke up at 5:45 a.m. For how long? For how long did the boy sleep? For how long did the boy do what? Sleep. Now, using our formula, that is root, R was standing for reading. Let's all of us read. Let's all of us read. A boy slept for a boy slept at 9:45 p.m. and woke up at 5:45 a.m. For how long did the boy sleep? Now, class of 5s, this sum is very easy. It is the easiest mathematics. Now, you can just see, we have PM and AM. Who can tell us the difference between PM and AM? Yes. That's a trial. Okay, now, as you can see, PM, that is past midday. Past midday. Midday, when it's midday, past noon. Past noon. Past noon. That is 12:00. So, when you see it is 12:00:01, it should be PM. Before 12:01, we have 12:00 noon. But after 12, it is adding another minute. We are having PM. Now, AM. When does AM start? It starts at night. It starts at what? At night. That is when AM starts. That is at what? At night. At what time? It is not 12:00 midnight. After 12:00 what? Midnight. We have 12:01 what? AM. At night. AM starts at 12:01 at night and it ends at 12:00 during the day. AM starts at 12:01 AM at night and it ends at 12:00 in the day. Now, when does PM start? PM starts 12:01 during the day and it ends at 12:00 at night. Now, class 5s, I want you to see what is this 9:45 p.m. p.m. We have talked of p.m. It starts at, very good, it starts at 12:01 during the day. Now, so this is during the what? This is during the what? The night. Very good. Now, let's see. Let us see now what happens here. What happens here? So we have 9:45 to 10:45 to 11:45 to 12:45 to 1:45. What is this now? This is 9:45 p.m. to 10:45 p.m. to 11:45 p.m. Have we arrived to 12? No. So what is going to happen to this one? 12 is between 11:45 and 12:45. So if it reaches 12, this one now appears to be from p.m. it becomes a.m. If we were in p.m. and we arrived at 12, it becomes a.m. But if we were having a.m.s, we arrive to 12, it becomes p.m. Are we together? Yes, but now we are in p.m.s. It has arrived to 12. Now, what is going to happen here? We should be having what? A.m. Very good. Now, it is 12:45 a.m. We go to 1:45 a.m. 2:45 a.m. 3:45 a.m. 4:45 a.m. 5:45 a.m. I repeat again, class 5s, when you are having PMs and you arrive at 12, the PM changes and becomes AM. After arriving to what? To 12. If you are having AMs here, you arrive at 12, it changes and becomes PM. For our case, we were having PMs. Now, after arriving at 12, it should become what? AM. Now, let's see how many hours that this pupil sleep, or the boy. 9:45 to 10:45. How many hours are there? 10:45 minus 9, what? 45. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. What is 10 minus 9? 1. So this person slept, this is 1 hour. What is 11:45 minus 10:45? It should be 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is what? 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. That is 1 hour. That is another 1 what? 1 hour. We go to 12:45 to 11:45 to 12:45. How many hours are there? Subtract. Hurry up. 12:45 minus 11:45. Yes, very good. That is 1 hour. What is 12:45 minus 1:45? That is another 1 hour. Very good. What is 2:45 minus 1:45? That is another what? 1 hour. We also have another 1 hour here. 4:45 minus 3:45. That is another 1 what? 1 hour. 5:45 minus 4:45. Another 1 what? 1 hour. Class 5. I told you this is a very simple sum. Let's see. Let's reread our question again using our formula. That is router. The boy slept at 9:45, and woke up at 5:45 a.m. Now, for how long did the boy sleep? Let's count the hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the boy slept for what? 8 hours. That is question number 42. We go to question number 43. Question number 43. Question number 43. That is where we are. Remember, I told you that mathematics is the key to success of every individual in the world. Without mathematics, you cannot be able to even count change given by the shopkeeper or to do anything. We go to question number 43. Now, you are told, what is 72 you divide by 9? What is 72 divided by 9? Now, this sum is very easy. This sum is very, very easy. Now, you can subtract or use subtraction method to see how many 9s you have subtracted. Class 5, the sum is very easy. If you don't know multiplication, you are just kidding yourself in mathematics. It is very easy. Now, let's see the multiplication table of 9. Understanding multiplication table of 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals what? 18. We just add plus another 9. 9 times 3 equals, what is 18 plus 9? 27. Very good. We go to 9 times 4 equals another 9. Add. 36. Very good. 9 times 5. It is going to give you what? 45. Very good. And another 9 there. Times 6 equals 54. Very good. 9 times 7. It is going to give you, and another 9 there. 63. 9 times 8. It is going to give you 72. 9 times 9. It is going to give you what? And another 9 here. 81. Very good. 9 times 10. It is going to give you what? 90. Very good. 9 times 11. It is going to give you 99. 9 times 12. It is going to give you what? 108. Very good. Now, we have our sum here. We go back to our sum, that is thinking. What is 72 divided by 9? How many times are you going to multiply 9 to give you 72? How many 9s do we have to give us 72? And right where 9 is? Yes, it is there. Now, let's count how many 9s for you to arrive to 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 9 times 8, which is 70 what? 2. So our answer is what? You have 9 8s. We go to question number 44. Question number 44, that is where we are. That is where we are. Okay. You are told, Paul, somebody called Paul. Paul, Lord of the Bible, bought 5 books at shillings 20 each. And 3 pencils at shillings 10 each. You are told, he paid the bill with 200 shillings. He paid the bill with the shillings 200. What was the balance? What was the balance? As I've told you earlier on, I've told you that you cannot be in this world without knowing mathematics. Why? You want to go to the shopkeeper and buy something. Your mother has given you, or your dad has given you, or your grandpa or your grandma has given you some amount. You don't know how to count. You want some items. For example, they might be costing 100. You have given the shopkeeper 1,000. And because you don't know how to subtract or to count, you leave all your money there. Now, or you just do a very bad thing of stealing the shopkeeper's money. So now, after paying, you need to know that the money that you are given back by the shopkeeper is known as balance. Is known as balance. Some of you call them change. Some of you call them what? Change. We go to our formula, that is Ruta, R for reading. Let's all of us read. Paul bought 5 books, 8 shillings 20 each, and 3 pencils at shillings 10 each. He paid the bill with shillings 200. What was the balance, or what was the change? Now, bearing in mind our formula, the second letter, it is U for understanding. Now, we said in our last question, if you see each or this symbol, what are you supposed to do? You multiply the items times what? Shillings. Items times shillings. Now, so you have 5 books. You multiply by what? 20. What is 20 times 5? 0, 10. Shillings, 100. Another one. 3 pencils. You multiply times what? 10. What is 3 times 10? Shillings what? 30. Now, what did you do? T for thinking. You add. That is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is you have nothing, and you are given 3 shillings. What did you do? Do you have in your pocket? You don't have nothing. You have 3 shillings. 3. You drop that watch. 1. So the money that the item have costed 8 shillings 130. But now you are told he paid the bill with shillings 200. After giving the shopkeeper 200, what was the shopkeeper supposed to give back? Minus 1 what? That. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 3, it can't. You borrow 1 from 2, then you go with 110. 10 minus 3 is what? 7. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So the answer is shillings 70. Shillings 70. We go to question number 45. Number 45, that is where we are. Number 45. 45 is our answer. 45 is our next question. You are told a farmer has 3 bulls. A farmer has 3 bulls. It is not, if you have 3 bulls there at home, your father is not known as the farmer. Are we together? Your father is your father. Now, a farmer has how many bulls? Has 3 bulls weighing. The bulls are weighing 340 kgs, 380 kgs, and 420 kgs. What is their total? What is their total? Total what? Total weight. Using our formula, that is Ruta, all of you must read R, that is reading, according to our first letter. A farmer has 3 bulls weighing 340, 380, and 420. What is their total weight? What is their total weight? You, for understanding, what are you now supposed to do? What do we do? What are we supposed to do? Yes? Somebody to give us an idea what you are supposed to do? Yes, very good. Now we are supposed to add. That pupil has gotten the answer to that question, but before we arrive to it, we want us to know what we are supposed to do. What is their total weight? Total means you add. You add. Put them together. Put them what? Together. So cow A is having 340. Cow B or bull B, 380. And the other one is having 400 what? 20 kgs. K what? Kgs. Now let's see. All of them have how many kilograms? 0 plus 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. Plus 2. Very good. 12 plus 2 is 14. 4 we carry 1. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Plus 4. It is 10. Plus what we carried? 11. Now, the total weight, it is 11, okay, it is 1,140 kgs. Kgs. We go to question number 46. Question number 46. Question number 46, that is where we are. Number 46. You are told a school bought 5 cartons of exercise books. A school bought how many cartons? 5 cartons. 5 cartons of exercise books. Each carton had 24 books. How many books did the school buy altogether? How many books did the school buy or what? Or together? Now, pupils, we are supposed to use our formula, that is the rooter. Remember, R is for reading. We don't have to go to the answer without rereading the question again. Let's reread. A school bought 5 cartons of exercise books. Each carton had 24 what? Books. How many books did the school buy all together? Now, pupils, you for understanding, what are you supposed to do? Yes. Now, we are supposed to put all the cartons together and add. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cartons. Each carton is having how many books? 24, 24, 24, 24, 24. Are we together? Yes. We are supposed to put them together. Plus. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. 12 plus 4 is what? 16. 16 plus 4? 20. Very good. 0. We carry 2. 2 plus 2? 4. 4 plus 2? 6. 6 plus 2? 8. 8 plus 2? 10. 10 plus the 2 we carried? 12. So these people had 120 what? Books. And 120 books. We go to question number 47. Question number 47. We are coming to the end of our lesson. That is why you need to be very keen You need to be very keen. Question number 47. 5 times box equals 45. Class 5. Read 5 times dash equals 45. U for understanding using our formula router. You need to know the multiplication table of 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 10, 50. 5 times 11, 55. 5 times 12, 60. Now, class 5. I want you to tell me 5 times what equals 45? Hurry up. Very good. That is times 9. We got to question number 48. Question number 48. How many shillings 5 coins? How many shillings 5 coins? Shillings 5 coins are there in 50 note. Are there in 50 note. Note. What is the difference between a note and a coin? A note and a coin? A coin is round. Very good. What about a note? A note. A note is like a paper. A note is a what? Like a paper. But a coin, it is circular. Are we together? Yes. So now, how many 5 coins are there in 50 note? So you divide 50 by what? By 5. 5 times what equals 5? 1. Because of what? 5. What happens to this 0 left here? It is placed on top. If you leave a 0 here when dividing, it is placed on what? Top. So the answer is what? 10. 10. 10. Question number 49. 965 minus dash equals to 375. 375. Now, this was class 3 work, grade 3 work. Now, as you can see, we have a formula. We go to you for the studying. What are you supposed to do? We must subtract 965 minus what? 365 to see what should be there. 965 minus 300 what? 75. 5 minus 5 is what? 0. 6 cannot subtract 7. We borrow 1. We remain with the 8. 16 minus 7? 9. Very good. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So, our answer here, it is 590. 590. We go to question number 50. Number 50. What is the next ship? What is the next ship in the pattern? In the pattern. We have this a pattern here. You have this pattern here drawn. We have a triangle. We have a circle. We have a rectangle. And we have a triangle again. We have a dash. We have a triangle again. Then a what? A dash. What is in the dash? Now, just to see, a pattern repeated itself. If you have 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, what about 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? It is like a song. Now, here it is triangle. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle what? Yes. I'll see it. that a pattern repeated itself. Baba, mama, mtoto. Baba, mama, mtoto. Are we together? No. In our case here, we have a triangle. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle what? Circle, rectangle. Very good. So here we should have what? Circle. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle, circle, what? Rectangle. But we are only asked of one part. So our answer is a circle. Now we have come to the end of our lesson for today. And just before I finish, I would like you to go through what we have been learning or what we have been revising in this paper from question 1 to question number 50. Remember, next time we'll continue revising class 5s. Stay tuned to Uvoro TV. Goku Negwetu.